My name is Anthony DePietro. I'm from Washington, Pennsylvania. About a year ago, I tore my ACL. I fell on black ice, and my foot got caught in between my door jamb and the wheel of my truck. So it kind of just snapped and had to still get up and go to work that day. It was pretty awful. I got to go see my doctor and schedule an MRI, and luckily I got in the MRI the next day to find out that I actually had a torn ACL. It took like 3 months to find out that. I was like, oh great, now what? My previous surgery on my right knee was with my patella tendon on my from my kneecap, and it was easily 4 to 6 months before I could actually move back to work, playing sports, anything like that. So I was trying to find something that I was back faster and better and just as strong as using your own ligament. I found Dr. Noy. I did some research online. I was trying to find experimental surgeries because I didn't want the long recovery time. I watched this video and it was just like, oh, I'm sold. Like when he said he uses the Achilles thing, I didn't even thought about that. Like no one talks about it. And then I came in here, talked to him, and just the way he presented himself. And when it came to like post-op surgeries, people falling the same day because you have your block in your knee, and he still didn't re-tear. I'm like, that's amazing. I think a lot of people are skeptical of cadavers because they get worried like, oh, it's from somebody else. You know, you might get somebody else's disease. And like, no, these things are frozen, scraped, you know, and they literally within, he says 9 months, your molecules turn into your own ligament. It'll turn into yours. After my surgery, I was walking with no crutches in 3 days. I started going back to 2 weeks after the surgery. I was back to my gym lifting upper body again, and people were like, how are you walking around? Because there's plenty of people there. There's like high school kids with their Don Joy ACL knee braces on walking around like, did you have ACL surgery? I'm like, yeah. They're like, what? Where's your brace? I'm like, I don't need it. And when he said you could be back to work in a week, like a desk job, I was like, there's no way. And after 2 weeks, I was literally like completely fine to go back to work. My knee doesn't even swell up anymore. Like it's like, you know, my other knee I'd be icing all the time. This one I can ice once a day if I even have to. You know, it's just so different. Like just the fact that I can do and exercise so fast and be back to work. Like that's the scary part. When you have to take 4 to 6 months off work, you can lose your house, cars, because workers' comp's not that much money. Neither is, you know, disability. It's being able to get back fast is priority these days. They do call him the ACL master. More people need to know about him because it's awesome. Like you can't beat that. Like this is amazing.